Can you really stop your snoring with common over-the-counter products? Today we'll be looking at Breathright Nasal Strip. Welcome to Brutal Asian, where we speak the truth and nothing but the truth in our product review. This is not a sponsored post, and even if you pay us to do so, we will still tell the truth. Snoring is a problem for many people. It is so torturous for a significant other to have to endure your loud bulldozing every night. So I found this at our local pharmacy, which is Breathright Nasal Strip. It costs around $9 and it comes with 12 strips. So what they claim is it opens your nose, which relieves nasal congestion and reduce snoring. So for today, we are going to test if the reduced snoring part of it is true. So how do we conduct this test? I'm going to record myself sleeping for 2 weeks. The first week, I'll just sleep normally. And the second week, I'll sleep with the nasal strip on. From there, I'll have an app, this app, to record my noise level every night. And from there, we can tell if there's any difference. So this is week 1, day 1, and I have my app here with me to record the noise level of my snore. So let's go. Okay guys, this is week 2, day 1. I'm going to do the same sleeping test with the app and now with the nasal strip. Yeah, let's try to open your nose. This is the average noise level without nasal strip and with nasal strip. So as you can see from the result here, there is a reduce in snoring. So it is the truth. Is this worth $9? Well, if you think about it, it averages to less than $1 a day. It reduces some snoring and it prevents your partner from murdering you in the middle of the night. So I will give this product a brutal approved. For those with snoring problems, off-the-shelf products are just temporary solutions. There are a lot of causes to snoring and some of them are quite serious. So please do seek professional help. Okay, that's all we have for today. Let us know in the comments section if you have any product that you would like us to review in the future. Do remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until then, this is Ray signing off from BrutalAsians.